EMO is a place where you can find all the new things in the market. So for customers, this is very important, and the same goes for the manufacturers, for the companies. So it's a good opportunity to show them all the new things we have, and in that perspective, we will bring something like 3 machines, 7 technologies, and we will show everything live. So that's a very good opportunity to see everything in just one shot.
It is a show that you are going to only enhance your knowledge in the machine tool and related topics business, and you can virtually visit a machine once every 20 seconds if you really saw every single machine.
Well, first I'm very excited to see topics such as Industry 4.0, artificial intelligence on a shop floor. I'm super excited. Our portal IoT World is focused on this. I think it's worthwhile to come and understand what are some of the trends, what are some of the things that may help you reduce waste, reduce material in a shop.
If you talk about machining technologies, there are latest machining technologies which will be showcased in the exhibition, and those are of very interest, especially to clients or sectors from the auto sector, from the medical sector. And as I said, that the manufacturing growth is seen in India, so this show has a lot of relevance, and the visitors from India will be much more, I hope, than what you had in the previous editions of Hannover.
For EMO, definitely the recruiting program, so many young students may be really interested about this program, so they can participate in this program, and that way they can find their jobs. So welcome to EMO.